sure all the panel is correct, the instrument's okay and the circuit breakers are in, and I make sure the seat and pedals are fitted for myself. This is an abbreviated walk around, so it won't include everything that I would do normally just because of the video. Now we move to the left hand side cowling of the helicopter and we just make sure there are no frayed cables or oil pulls or anything untoward or anything looks bad in there. As this is an abbreviated walk around, I won't be including everything in as much depth as I would normally, but it's very important to make sure the pitch links are all correct on the helicopter and they aren't loose or anything like that, and to check all the wire locking, make sure there isn't any frayed cables. It's also very important to check the fluid reservoir at the back of the tail and make sure everything is in working order. Now we move up to the rotor head of the helicopter, we make sure all the fluid reservoirs are topped up, all the alignment lines are good and all the wire locking is not broken or frayed. Battery on, multi-function on. Let's have a look, see what we got. TOT is low. We got fuel. And we got battery. Okay. On yours. Throttle's closed. Okay, I'm going to go for start.